Number 30, pre-calc final exam review. We're solving an equation that's got some trig in it. Well, our normal Algebra 1 rules apply. We want to solve for x, we want to get x by itself. So I recognize that I have cosecant x on both sides, so I need to combine those. And I'm a big fan of always moving the smaller coefficient. So I end up with -4 equals 2 cosecant x. Because I like having my variable on the left, I'm just going to go ahead and switch that. So I get 2 cosecant of x is equal to -4. Divide by 2. So I get cosecant of x is equal to -2. Now, I don't like working with cosecant of x, so I'm going to use its reciprocal function. And cosecant of x is equal to 1 over sine of x. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to flip everything. And what I'm going to end up with is I get sine of x is equal to -1/2. Now at this point, if you know your unit circle pretty well, you could come up with the values of x that give us -1/2. But if you don't, you'd have to do arc sine on both sides, so you get x equals the arc sine of -1/2. And what you'd find is that you get two answers. And those answers are x equals 7 pi over 6 or 11 pi over 6. Now, the domain of our x, the domain of our function is not restricted at all, which means we could keep going around and around the circle, which means we could add 2 pi and keep adding 2 pi to each one of these and come up with different answers. So to take care of that, to get the general solution to this trig equation, it's going to be 7 pi over 6 plus 2 pi n or 11 pi over 6 plus 2 pi